Hello once again. Let's start by creating some POS orders here. From this interface, let's go to search and then we can see all the list of customers we have, or we can just search by the virtual keyboard here. By typing, we can get the customer detail. So let's choose a customer here and you can see the customer is selected. Then they have a different cars, the register cards are there, and then we can select their car number here. We can remove, we can edit customers, we can add new customer again, we can add their photo and some basic details. From here we can add a new car for the customer. Then from the product list we can add different kit. So as this person is a member, gold member in our scheme, so as soon as I select some service type of product, it will automatically apply the scheme. So as soon as I add a product, you can see as he is a member on the car wash, he already got a discount, right? So Spark kit is a different product, so he didn't get a discount here. So this is how the scheme will be applied automatically, and then whenever we have some scheme applied, he just need to pay for the spare extra products only, instead of doing all this thing. Then we have some list of buttons here. The scheme is automatically applied, the bill is automatically generated, and this is the pretty simple operation. We add a list of products, we have this thing here, the control. If we want to put some remark, don't vacuum inside. If we want to put some remarks, we can put a remark here, and then customer will pay. So this is the simplest operation we have by creating basic details. We can have a waiting car list here, we can reload, we have a different bookings. So next order, then it will directly go to the next order. So this is the very basic details we have here. We can go to different controls, and then we can see different operations here. We can see scan barcode for the booking amounts. Then if you want to directly create with the new one, let's create a new one here. In the next, we choose from some of the schemes here, and I choose 3 different products, right? So these are the list of mechanical here we have. I will choose the order now which we created. We just book the first orders because I just created a new order, and then this is the order we just booked recently. The very first order I assigned a mechanic. This is the customer detail. When we click on the car, it means it will show in progress. Now I am starting my operation, so timer will start. So my serviceman started all the operation on the car wash, and this is the note, don't vacuum inside, which is our note here. So the spark kit we already use car wash. When we start car wash, we will start the operation. Once the car wash is performed, we will click here, so customer can see the status of list of services performed on their car. Then once the car spa is done, we will click this, so all 3 items are green, all the operations are performed. We will stop the operation, so it will record the final time on my order, so we can have an analysis of average time for each and every car to wash. So we can have average time analysis based on this. Once done, we will click on finish, and now we don't have any more car in the progress. You can see the list is clear. So once we have 10 different cars in the system, we can see all the list of car items here. And we can see running car lists is no one is there. Let's click on the booking again. So the first order, this is we already booked, so it will go to the running car list in the car waiting list area. Here we can see the next order, but the first order we already performed the action, so it is ready for payment. So we go here and we can see this car is ready for payment. We click on the pay button. You can see the order is open. We have to collect 200. Okay, now my customer wish to pay by cash, so I click on the cash and I will choose 200 here and validate. So this order is generated. Whether you want to print receipt, you want to directly email receipt to this email ID, so you don't waste paper and we support the environment. Click on the print and it will print the order and your screen is empty now, right? So this is the very basic operations of how car wash system POS operations will work. In upcoming videos we will see few more advanced level operations of gift cards, schemes, vouchers and other control buttons. Thanks for watching the video.